ban kyntiew ya kasap ka phong jo ki heprit haka ialehkai football mynta ka kynti Naka liang jo ka Sozo Football Academy haka jing iatrei lang bat ka PJP Football Club ka badai ru ka we ka jaka jing hikai football na Assam kala pynlong ya ka jing ialehkai football jo ki Khynnah ki hapoh ka snem ban ailad ki ban pyntbit yalade haka jing ialehkai football ban je ki Khynnah ban sha pyntbit pat ha Sozo Football Academy kabaju jing hikai ki Khynnah shinrang bat kyntei ha Madan Jorbil Kiling Ribhoi district Naka liang kinong penyat bakan top bekatrai bakanong seng joka Sozo FA ka kong Mercy Rupsi bat kinong hikai kilarai ban pynlong da ka trial match bat lumlang ki Khynnah kanika than khnang ban yo ya ka jing hikai ka bakham ti kana ha ka jing ialehkai ball bat ka school bat ka rukom khot bat penrung kerteng ki Khynnah kan thei bat shinrang bakan top ki heprit ki bakwa ban sha hikai tikna yaladi ha kanika academy kan sedang no nadu benai kelalingkot hajar pusau Hagani ka sngi banjeri ki heprit awan ban sakhi do RK Sharma officer jongka Ustm haga jinga don lang de kinong hikai bat ki member jongka Sozo Academy hawakran kumukongsan nakaliang RK Sharma ula ai khuble kerpang ya ka kong Mercy bat ki member jongka ne academy halor ka jing thrang ka jongki ban sei ka sap ki heprit baru kermen ba nakajing tre shitom jikini ki longkmi kinsala ban sei ki khlor ba mi khmat ka jalla bat kari baro ka we Naka liang joka kong Rupsi kalai khuble kerpang ya chancellor joka Ustm hok ubala no senyang na kasong pisa ban shna penbha ya ka Madan kabala shimwai na kabanta ban jing hikai ya ki Khynnah kabadon ha ka Shillong Jorbil Kiling Ribhoi district
This respected all the organizers, including your name, I forget. She is leading this for organizing this event, and other organizers who is standing in front of me, organizing this in our from Ustm also, our sports officer, Mr. Thakuria is also here along with me, and some other mainly young players, kids players from under 7, I think, under 7 and under 15. These boys are actually I must congratulate all of the organizers organizing this kids play from 7 to 15 because this stage it is very easy to mold them and they are more interested. When I came about 1 hour back, I saw some boys are playing. One boy I have seen there, but he is doing very well. I told him also, this boy will definitely rise one day. I think this is the right time to mold these young players. I tell, but though it is kids, but they will know if they will get the good guidance and the coach. I met this coach here. I think he will be always with you people and this young generations. But football or any other sports is a very, very bright future. I think sometimes you can organize some to invite some football players and tell them that what is the famous football players in the world. I think we know in our time Pele was the most now his name is also still there, but after that many young football players are there, well-known footballers in the world. But still today from India, I think no famous player is going outside. I think no, is not it. So I hope these young generation students and players, I hope these people will definitely one day rise, and I must again congratulate and appreciate these organizers. Today are the first time I have seen that they are organizing for these kids below 7 and up to 15. I think definitely they will rise one day and shine like a gold and diamond in this part of the country, in India and abroad also. Thank you. Very well, huh? Hello. Good. Very smart boy. You are also smart. Yes. We expect in doing this.
Yes.
That's right. We expect many more things from you people, huh? Oh, thank you.
जल्दी कहाँ देख रहा है?
Trial match ni lah pynlong ta ngin shim nak ka free coaching mak na do January ngin sedang no boys and girls free ta tu ngin mas na de di ngin jit nang ne ina ke trial match ndere ngin jit ngin lum barak patiba all the participants ngin lum iki ngin penrung nak haka club jong ni Sozo Football Academy club ngin pendekan tu na kene Madan tengah shimwai na ki itrei kyntiew itrei Madan na shimwai sudah si benai itu karena benta tang kini ki tournament ke benta si trial match hok sat ki owner jong Ustm uai hi contribution jong don hi me te don lang bat jong club sia yang ki friends families jong